guys, today we are gonna be reviewing the SpeakOut challenge. So this game is very nice to play with your family and your other relatives. So today we're gonna be seeing, or we're gonna be looking in what's inside this SpeakOut box. Yes, it looks a bit weird, and at the back you can see the rules, the putting in the mouthpiece, the things, yeah, and these are what's inside. Yeah, you can be playing this by game, and yeah, here, can you see it? Yeah, that I know that looks weird and kind of disgusting, but this game is very fun. So let's check out what's inside. By the way, I just got this afternoon. Yeah, before I got here. Okay. So this is what's inside. Oh great, there's a plastic. This is the one that's inside. I guess it's right for the back. This one's like the timer and how long you're gonna be guessing the cards, like these cards. Yeah. Wait, here. This example. This one. Okay, so the game goes like this. It's like you have to pick out your size because there are like sizes, and yeah, like you can observe which one's bigger and smaller. Let me see this. Yeah, this one's bigger, this one's smaller. You might not see it directly, but when you have it in real life, you might see it. And so when you put these things on, you set up this timer. Oh yeah, this timer. Then this timer like gives you the time and how long your opponent's team is gonna guess the words that are in the card. Like you are in the red team, then you wear this, then the blue team tries to guess this card. Can you read it? Okay, so let's say your opponent got the card correctly, then if it stops like the timer, it just times up how long the team guesses the card. So that's all for today, and I'll see you guys next time. Please don't forget to click that like button, subscribe button, and please tell your friends to subscribe to my channel. See you guys next time, and expect me making some gacha life videos, because I like doing videos for my channel. So I'll see you guys. Bye.